Lunch, this is my lunch outfit. This is the outfit just for when to let the food.
How much is it?
This one, 1.8 for the trouser, 2.2 for the jacket. Yeah, shoes, Versace. Yeah. Shirt, I don't know, but it has gold buttons. So, then what gold eye. That one you ask her.
So this is what you usually put on gogenda ku lunch?
Yeah, or gymming to the gym. When you're going gymming, Nina concert, Navio orchestra, August 29th. So I need to practice the dressing.
So buli mwaka ogenda kubeera ng'okola orchestra concert?
Yeah, number 2.
Every year?
Yeah, I mean, for as long as the people want. We are for the people, and the people are for us.
Because I never rap banje, first of all, banje, but of course we have the same, how can I say, the creativeness is the same.
Energy?
Yeah? Energy, creativity, the
talent,
vibe, yeah. Like we look at we have the same vision,
After doing concerts, they take several years to stage another concert. Toyina fear yonanti stress or flopping since Wakamaleli, and then certainly the following year you're staging another concert.
Fans are fans. The fans are the ones who create the demand. So for me, I can go on holiday, but the fans create the demand. So a lot of the people, Twina fan club, Twina WhatsApp group, Twina emailing system, they're like, man, next ticket, because a lot of people came to the gate. Never, they don't full ticket, they don't get a ticket. So we had maybe like over 700 people. So those people said, next time, please, next year, I need my ticket before. They want their tickets 3-4 months now before, to ensure that they can enjoy the show. So, really demand. I'm not afraid of showing my wife. Nasimbwa is the love of my life. She's the center of my life. Yeah, probably. Because her food also tastes very sweet. But she's the center of my life, and my kids' lives as well. So yeah, definitely have to show her. I hope she shows me. Does she show me?
Yes.
Hey, Kari, to the mass.